What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. Cause, baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. Cause I know that all I know, it's time to go. It's time to go. You can pass the blame. Say what you want, you got nothing on me. We won't be the same. Don't you call me up, cause we badly need this change. Maybe I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive, stay alive.
Ayan guys, finally nakarating na ako ng Da Nang, Vietnam. And nakakaloka. Yung flight namin, grabe, napaka-bumpy. Hindi naman sa sa delikado, pero as in, nakakakabada siya lang. Sa tagal-tagal kong sumasakay ng eroplano, ngayon lang ako kinabahan na naman siya lang. O siya, sige na, magbubook na ako ng Grab papuntang city center, which is nandun yung aking hotel. Diretso na tayo sa aking hotel, by the way, Crown Plaza, Da Nang City Center. Let's go na, Shalak. Ay, nakakaloka. It was just like 2 hours and 30 minutes, pero grabe ang dinanas ko. Hindi ko alam na meron palang typhoon or may paparating na bagyo. Buti na lang nakaalis ako or nakapag-flight ako ngayon sa Taipei. Kung nag-antay pa siguro ako ng very long layover or dumaan pa ako ng Taipei for one day, naku, baka canceled ang flight. Kasi tomorrow, canceled na yung mga classes. Nakita ko sa news sa Taipei. Baka hindi pa ako natuloy dito sa Da Nang at na-extend pa yung stay ko sa Taipei. But anyway, let's go na. May bagyo na ngayon. Paparating na yung bagyo sa Taipei. Buti na lang nakaalis ako ngayong araw na to. Diba? Kasi bukas tatamaan na talaga yung Taipei ng bagyo. Emerald. O siya, sige na, let's go na guys. Shala.
One will be the drink voucher, and you have the lounge set also. So I think you have breakfast and you have drink and in the lounge. So I think the best option is the 600.
The what?
The 600 point for the world.
The 600 points?
Yes, I think that's the best option. You have 3, but the first one is the complimentary breakfast. Second one will be point, and the third one will be drink voucher.
Yeah, I always choose the pre-breakfast, but
it's included in the lounge.
In the lounge?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, whatever.
So I give you the key here, 1726 for the room. You use the key to access to your room floor and the lounge on the 24th floor. Okay. And I'd like to give you the information for the operation time of the lounge. So right now we open for the cocktail hour until 5:30 we close.
Okay.
Thank you very much. And if you need anything, you can add number 0 to the reception and the Wi-Fi in our bathroom.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Masad.
So you said this is the hours for the lounge?
Yes.
Okay. What time they close? 7:30?
Yes, 7:30.
Okay.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay, please.
I'll just try this.
And on the room here is no smoking room.
Non-smoking?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not smoking.
Yes.
So, kaka-check-in ko lang, guys.
And Mr. Masari. So right now inside the hotel we have some daily activity for our guests.
Oh.
And tomorrow is the third day we will have the herbal soap.
The what?
The herbal soap for guests at the
Herbal
spa at 2 p.m.
Okay.
So in case you refer this one, you can just purchase in advance, please, because so for one time it's just 10 bucks per time.
Okay.
Yes.
I will just call the reception.
Number 0.
Number 0. Okay, thank you so much, Ken.
Ken, yes.
Yeah. My name is Ahmed Khan, but I go by Ken in our work. So nice to meet you, Ken.
Yeah, nice to meet you. What's up?
Let me have you go to your room. You already take a room key, right?
Yes, I do. Guys, nakakadog ka. Oh, thank you.
Two six oh.
26, okay. Thank you. This one is good. Pretty chill. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. What's your name?
My name is Tracy.
Tracy, thank you so much.
Okay. See you.
Thank you.
See you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Sherlock. Sherlock, guys. Inihatid talaga ako dito sa room. Sherlock. Oh my God. Eh, di i-room tour ko na kayo. Ay, mamaya na. Kasi anong oras na? 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock na, guys. At magsasara yung lounge at around 7:30. So, pupunta muna tayo sa lounge. Later na tayo magbibihis lang ako ng onte. Kasi baka di appropriate yung shorts. Usually, they're only accepting like, yung parang semi-formal at higher sa mga lounge. Sometimes, they do accept na naka-shorts, but most of the time ay hindi. So, let's go na muna sa, tong tawag na to? Sa lounge. Okay? Let's eat for free. Sherlock!
What a wasted time.
Let's go na to the lounge, guys. Ay, i-check muna natin. Pa-check natin sa inyo yung aking outfit. Hindi naman siya, formal masyado. Naka-shorts. Naka-shorts. Pwede naman siguro kasi dati, nung nasa Manila ako sa Hilton, I was granted lounge access din. I was granted a lounge access din. Pero, tawag dito. Pero naka-shorts din naman ako because of my, I was granted lounge access kasi nga, legendary member ako at that time. Hanggang ngayon naman siya. Kasi ang mahal nang magstay sa Hilton, kaya sabi ko, let's go to IHG na lang. Ayan. Daan na, 20th floor. 20th floor. Let's go to 20, where's 24? Yeah, 24. You do need to tap your card. Where do you need to tap your card? Hindi gumagana. Siya. 26:06. Ito na tayo. Huwag tayong magkakamali. Gaya ng nangyari sa Holiday Inn. Shalak! Di naman kapungkahan mga pagka-shalak. Puro mga ano. Sa bagay, hindi ko kasi ma-appreciate kasi ngayon cocktail, di ba? Cocktail. Anong tawag doon? Parang cocktail eme. Puro mga alak, mga wine, mga kemerut. Siyempre, yung nakahanda pala, hindi siya dinner. Parang pampulutan. Shalak. Pero yung pinagkakain ko lang yung mga shrimp. Pero yung yung crackers sa ibabaw, hindi ko na siyempre kinain, di ba? Sige na. I-room tour ko kayo mamaya. Or bukas na lang. Shalak. Tawag mo na ako sa front desk. Gusto kasing Gusto kasing paano kaya buksan itong na to? Di ba nakabukas lahat ng ilaw? Hindi maganda yung lightning. Dapat nakabukas. Ay, nakabukas na ba to? Ganito ba yung Ay. Shalak. Konti lang yung ilaw. Pak. Di masya... itong study table. Ano kaya itong study table? Ano ba to? May ilaw ba to? Asan ba yung Nagmumukha tayong ignorante, day. Shalak. Ayan, meron pa tayong dito, shalak. Mamaya na mag-room tour, mga shalak. Ayan. Tatawag muna tayo sa front desk. Ay, naku, nakakaloka. Ano ba ito? Mag-opisina ba ako dito at merong mga pagganito? Charis. Shalak. Asa na ba yun yung parang... Kasi every every day, itong hotel na to, Crown Plaza Danang, meron silang activities. And most of the activities are free. It is every day. Merong mga yoga, ice bath experience, Vietnamese coffee making, egg coffee making. Oh, may mga egg coffee making, di ba? Bongga. So, let's try this tomorrow. Tomorrow, kailan ba? Today is Tuesday. Ayan. Kailan ba yung alis natin? I think we are gonna leave on Sunday or Saturday. Our check-out date. Calendar. See our calendar. Friday, 27 November. Oh, we're gonna leave on Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. I'm still here on Saturday because we're gonna transfer into a better hotel on Saturday. So I'm still here on Friday. So hindi ko na to magagawa herbal food soap. So dapat magawa ko to tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So herbal food soap. Magpa-register na tayo. Sana hindi pa 3 packs per time. Ayan. 2 to 3 p.m. Hi, my name is Ahmad Khan. I'm calling from 2606. I just want to register for the 2 p.m. activities, which is the herbal foot soap. Okay. Whatever the time is available. 2:30? Okay. Okay. 2:30. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Okay, confirm. Shalak. Nireserve na pala sa akin, pero kinonfirm lang. Okay, naman nagsabi yung Shalak. Okay. Tapos, pupunta ako ng Bana Hills. Mag-ano lang tayo. Maaga tayong pupunta. Para matapos ko yon before that. Para makabalik tayo, no? Hanap ako ng massage for tonight. Para naman maano yung massage. 7:31 na. Gusto kong pumunta nag-gym na kanina eh. So, magpapamasahe na lang tayo. Let's see. Gusto kong bisitahin muna yung gym. Or bigyan ko muna kayo ng room tour dito. Mabilis lang naman to eh. Shalak. Let's go. Let's give you a room tour here, guys. Yan, guys. I-tour ko na kayo dito sa room bago tayo pumunta ng gym at i-check out yung sauna. Ayan. Shala! Kakaloka. Dito from the right side, nandito yung ganon. Same lang din. Ayan. By the way, nasa 40 square meters ata to. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. 40 plus square meters. They have upgraded. They said this is a premium room that we were upgraded from a standard room. So, dito, lalagyan to ng mga gamit. Ayan. Lagyan ng mga suitcase. Pero, fortunately, doon ko nalagay yung suitcase kasi nagmamadali na ako kanina. Ayan. Okay. And then, to the left naman, check out muna natin. Bago tayo pumunta pala dito sa, sa bathroom, check out natin itong coffee and bar station. So, dito guys, meron tayong, ayan, mga alak na hindi naman siya for free. So, that is not for free guys. Ayan, dito sa baba, ito yung always na for free. Tubig. Ayan. Kikita nyo yan. Ayan. Coffee maker. Coffee is for free, of course, definitely. And then, ito, yan lang. I think sa baba is yung rep. Meron kayang laman? For sure, kung meron man, this is not for free. Okay? It's not for free. Nalaman ko kasi nga, sa taas, meron siyang nakalagay na presyo. Mini bar. Lahat ng mga prices. So, hindi po siya for free kung merong mga nakalagay na ganyan. Buksan natin. Ito, meron dalawang bathrobe. Ayan. Shala. Tapos, ito na laundry bag sa baba na parati kong kinukuha before ako umalis. May payong dyan in case we need it. Tapos, merong plantsahan and emergency flashlight. And then, let's go to the left. Guys. To the left is our bathroom. Very spacious and large bathroom. Simulan natin dito sa may shower area. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. So, napakalawak ng bathroom guys. Ayan. Iano natin yung full di ba ako mabundol lang? Ayan. Full, connected siya sa aking bedroom. Ayan, di ba? Napakalawak. So, meron ditong bathtub, kung gusto mong mag-bathtub. Siya lang, no? Siguro gagamitin ko yan once. Di kasi ako mahilig din mag-bathtub. Tapos dito yung vanity mirror. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, meron dyang shalak. Ayan. May mga towel sa baba. Andyan. Ayan. Ano kayang brand yan? Oh, Anti-Pods. Kagaya din sa Thailand. For Crown Plaza and Holiday Inn sa Thailand, yan ata yung brand nila. Dito sa Asia, ganyan yung brand. Tapos merong towel. Ano kaya ito? Dito. Nandito yung mga kit. Mag-shape ako mamaya. Siya lang. Ayan, meron ding towel sa baba. 3. And then, I think that is hair dryer. Tapos, doon naman ay ang ating malawak na meron dito tayong shower area. Ayan. Shala. Sana someday maging ganito rin yung ating bahay or bathroom. Just pangarap na lang. Ayan. Dito yung... Ay, nakakamiss yung Taipei kasi meron sila dong hot parang heater. Pag umupo ka, hindi siya malamig. Diba? May bidet, which is very, very nice. Ayan. So, yan yung ating shower or bathroom area. Ayan, diba? So, kung makikita nyo, final glance. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? Napakalawak. Fairness. Tapos, dito guys. Tapos, ito naman guys, yung ating bedroom. Ayan. King size bedroom. Ayan. Tapos, meron tayong couch, small couch dyan. Parang sleeping area. Tapos, meron tayong table. Ayan. Ito yung ating TV. Yan na yun. Higaan nga natin kung malambot. Tingnan natin. Fairness. Yung unan. Shucks. Ba't nandun sa ano? Ayan. Ayan. Face detecting. Shalak. Malambot naman, in fairness. Shalak. Ayan. Pakita natin kung ano kaya yung view natin. Maganda daw, river view daw yung ano natin eh. Let's open kung ano yung ating view. Kasi hindi nyo makikita kasi ano siya, naka-open yung light. Let's close the light. Oh my God, it's so... Napakalaki ng ano nito ah. Okay. Let's close the light para makita ninyo, no? Ayan. Para makita nyo kung ano yung view. Harap natin doon. Ayan. This is our view, guys. My God. Shala. Ayan. River view. Ayan. Oh my God. This is so nice. How I wish I could share it with my friends or with best friend na parati kong view pa. Yung kabila pala is Marriott Executive Apartment. Ayan. O, diba ang ganda? Shala. So, let's go na. At gusto kong magpapawis, mag-sauna, and buksan natin yung ilaw ulit. Hindi nyo na ako makita. Hindi dahil sa maitim ako, kundi dahil, maitim naman talaga ako. Kung hindi dahil, ayan, napakaganda, diba? Shala. Oh my God, what a nice view. Let's go na. I-check out naman natin yung gym and sauna. Shalak! Yan guys, bumalik na lang ako ng hotel kasi as in sarado na yung mga restaurant nearby. So sabi ko magpapagrab na lang ako ng pagkain. Okay? Shalak. Bukas na lang siguro ako magpapamassage kasi maski yung masahe dito sa hotel ay, or spa dito sa hotel ay sarado na. So, maybe tomorrow na lang, magpapagupit din ako dito. Enjoy the amenities of the hotel, yung club lounge and everything. Whew! For tomorrow. Anyway, tomorrow more on pampering myself na lang. Magpapa-facial, magpapa-hair treatment, magpapa-massage, ganyan-ganyan. So, tomorrow na lang yung hair ko, guys. Isa na natin yun. Ayan. Tomorrow na lang magpapamassage. Kakain na lang ako and then after that, let's sleep. Kasi sa Sunday pa naman yung Sunday. Sabihin, nawawala ako. Ready to sleep na talaga. Sa Thursday pa naman yung ating, tomorrow is Wednesday. Sa Thursday pa naman yung ating, yung tawag dito, yung ating Bana Hills tour. Nag-book na lang ako ng, tour sa Klook kasi mas convenient siya. Kasi ipipick up na ako mismo dito sa hotel. Kaya, sweet chili sauce. Ayoko nito. Pat ketchup na lang binigay. Ay, may ketchup din naman pala. Ketchup na ito. Baka chili din to. Ay, chili garlic din. Let's see kung masarap to. Garlic chip. Ano ba ito? Puro chili. Ayan. Yun. Sabi ko, tomorrow na lang. And then on Thursday, Bana Hills. And then on Friday, Ramarang Disit nyo. Kasi bala, sarado na. Sarado na yung mga spa. Mga spa na lang na Kemerut ang bukas. After this, maliligo ako and then matutulog na rin. Kasi late na nga tayo nakating kanina. Ha? Bili ko to guys per like 135,000 dong. Kano kaya yan? Okay. Okay. Kano kaya yung dollar? Yung 135,000. Siguro sa mga $6. Yan na. $135,000 dong. To USD. $5 mga ganun. This is $5. Medyo mahal. Diba? Pero pwede na. 6 pieces na parang chicken wings. Pwede na. Kasi sa US, sa mga 7 ata yung bili ko sa mga Popeyes ngayon. Pero pag nag-ano, sale, ka-buy one take one ang Popeyes. Mga nasa $7 ng $8. Sige na guys, bukas na lang tayo magkita-kita ulit. Bye-bye. Shalak.